Hello everyone, welcome to mikimeloco. My name is Miki and I love to crochet cute stuff. In this video, let's crochet this Kirby bookmarker. This is an easy project for crochet beginner. Now let's get started. To make this Kirby bookmark, we need to have 3 parts. For the head, for the round shape, we need to have 2 pieces and put them together, and also this star. So we're gonna start with Kirby's face. So first, you need to have some, it's better you use fluffy yarn, but for demonstration, I'll be using this cotton milk yarn so that you can see the stitch. So we're gonna start with a magic ring. So we yarn over our little finger and over your index finger. Then you make a loop around your middle finger. Now hold the middle with your thumb. Now we use a 2.5mm crocheted hook. Insert your hook and pull out the yarn, yarn over, and pull through. This is a slip stitch and we need to have another chain stitch to begin with. So yarn over, pull through. So this is the starting step, and this doesn't count into your stitch. And after that, we are going to have 10 double crochet. To make double crochet, you first yarn over and insert your hook into the loop, yarn over. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, and yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. And now you make 1 double crochet. So it's better you put a stitch marker on it, just like this. And then we need to keep doing it for totally 10 double crochet. After you are done, tighten the loop by pulling the yarn. Now you take off the stitch marker and insert the hook into the first stitch, yarn over, and pull through the 2 loops. Just like this. And then we need to have 2 chain stitch as a standing stitch. 1, 2. Now we are done with the first round. For the second round, we need to have 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. So you yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch, and make 1 double crochet. Put a stitch marker, yarn over, and insert into the same stitch. So we just made 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, and we need to repeat it for 10 times. So this is for the second stitch. Please keep doing it until you finish the second round. Now we have 2 pieces, and on this one, we are going to put Kirby's face on it. So you will need some black, blue, and white threads to put the face on. Now we have these two pieces, but please don't put these two together until we are done with the star. So this is how you make the star. We also start over with a magic ring. And we make 2 chain stitch again, just like the first step in making the head. And we do 10 double crochet for the first round. This is 1, 2, and we need to have 10 in total for the first round. Make 1 chain stitch before you start the next round. So for the next round, we insert into the first stitch to make 1 single crochet. And in the next stitch, first we are going to have a half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook, pull out. Now you have 3 loops on the hook and yarn over, pull through the 3 loops at the same time. And then we are going to make a double crochet at the same stitch. Then we make a chain stitch. And now we are going to make a treble stitch. Yarn over for 2 times, insert at the same place. Now you have 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And then make another chain stitch. Yarn over, we're gonna make 1 double crochet. And another half double crochet. Now we are done with one angle. We're gonna repeat this pattern 5 times. So again, we insert into the next stitch to make one single crochet. Into the next stitch, we make 1 half double crochet. One double crochet, a chain stitch, treble stitch, treble crochet, chain stitch, double crochet, half double crochet. Now we have 2 angles. Please finish the second round. After you are done, take off the stitch marker and insert into the first stitch. Make a slip stitch. Just pull this all the way out. Now we are done with the star, but to make the bookmarker, we need to have a chain like this. So we just keep doing chain stitch to the length that you will need. Just yarn over, pull through, make chain stitch to a appropriate length that you need. Now at the very end of your chain stitch, you just pull out the yarn and you cut it. Now we are done with the 3 pieces, so the last step is just putting them together. You put the leftover yellow yarn in the middle and just glue these 3 parts together. But also you can choose to sew them, it's up to you. So now our Kirby bookmarker is done. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below and I'm happy to help. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay in the loop with my latest crochet patterns and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!